name's Ty. I'm 18, senior, class 2010. Woo! But yeah, seriously, dude. I think you should pick me to go on EF tours because, like, so far, this is my little world. Like, this room with these four walls, But I hope to like get into this, and like be able to travel and see the world and like meet people and expand like my boundaries. Hold on. Hello? 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 Uh, that was just Destiny calling me. Just let me know I'm going on EF tours with your help. So please help me out, and vote for me. But yeah, I live in Mobile, Alabama, and that says a lot. I live in Mobile, Alabama, where there's not really anything to do, anywhere to go. But there's a lot of culture and a lot of people and a lot of history. But I hope to like share that with people, and like pass it on if you like vote for me and I win. But it's all up to you. So help me out. Thanks a lot. Later.